Get ready for the dictation. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Sports are an essential part of a child's life and they offer numerous benefits to their physical, emotional, and social development. Here are some of the reasons why sports are important for children. Physical health. Participating in sports provides children with an excellent opportunity to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity helps to build strong muscles and bones, improve cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of obesity and other health problems. Mental health. Sports are also beneficial for a child's mental health. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Additionally, playing sports can boost self esteem and confidence as children learn new skills and achieve personal goals. Social skills. Sports provide children with opportunities to interact with others and develop social skills. Team sports, in particular, teach children how to work collaboratively and with others towards a common goal, communicate effectively, and resolve conflicts. Character development. Participating in sports also helps to develop a child's character. Children learn important values such as perseverance, discipline, and sportsmanship, which they can carry into other areas of their lives. Academic performance. Research has shown that children are who participate in sports tend to have better academic performance. Regular physical activity can improve cognitive function, attention span, and memory, which can lead to improved academic achievement. Overall, sports play an important role in a child's development, providing physical, emotional, and social benefits that can last a lifetime. Improved motor skills. Playing sports requires children to develop and refine their motor skills such as hand-eye coordination, balance, and agility. These skills are important for daily life activities such as writing, using tools, and driving, and can also help children excel in other areas of sports and physical activity. Goal setting and achievement. Sports offer children the opportunity to set and achieve goals, which is an important life skill. Whether it's mastering a new skill, improving their performance, or winning a game, children learn to set realistic and children's achievable goals and work towards them through practice and perseverance. Cultural understanding. Sports can also help children develop cultural understanding and appreciation. By playing with children from different backgrounds and cultures, they learn to value and respect differences and gain exposure to different perspectives and ways of life. Time management. Participating in sports requires children to balance their time between school, sports practice, and other activities. This helps them develop time management skills and learn how to prioritize tasks and responsibilities. Teamwork and leadership. Team sports provide children with valuable opportunities to learn about teamwork and leadership. They learn how to collaborate and work with others towards a common goal, communicate effectively, and support each other. Additionally, some children may also have the opportunity to take on leadership roles such as team captain or coach, which can help develop their leadership skills. confidence and resilience. Sports can help children build confidence and resilience as they learn to overcome challenges and setbacks. By persevering through difficult situations, children learn to trust in their own abilities and develop a sense of resilience that can serve them well throughout their lives. Improved sleep. Regular physical activity has been linked to improved sleep quality in children. By participating in sports and other physical activities, children can improve their sleep patterns, which can help them feel more rested and alert during the day. Reduced risk of substance abuse. Research has shown that children who participate in sports are less likely to engage in risky behaviors such as smoking, drinking, and drug use. This may be because sports provide children with a healthy and positive outlet for their energy and emotions and help them develop a sense of self-discipline and responsibility. Lifelong health habits. Children who participate in sports are more likely to maintain an active lifestyle throughout their lives, which can help them stay healthy and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. By instilling healthy habits at a young age, sports can help children develop lifelong healthy habits. In conclusion, sports are an important part of a child's life, offering numerous physical, emotional, and social benefits. By participating in sports, children can develop important skills, values, and habits that will serve them well throughout their lives. Additionally, sports offer children the opportunity to have fun, make friends, and create positive memories that will last a lifetime. Therefore, it is important to encourage children to participate in sports and other physical activities and to support them in their pursuit of a healthy and active lifestyle. While the benefits of sports for children are clear, it is important to note that not all children may be interested in or able to participate in traditional sports. It is important to provide a range of physical activity options such as dance, yoga, martial arts, and other non-traditional sports to ensure that every child has access to physical activity that they enjoy and that meets their individual needs and interests. In addition, it is important to create a safe and supportive environment for children to participate in sports. This includes providing proper equipment, ensuring proper supervision, and creating an atmosphere of inclusivity and respect for all participants. Coaches and parents should also prioritize the health and well-being of children over winning at all costs and emphasize the importance of fair play and sportsmanship. In summary, sports are an important part of a child's life, offering numerous physical, emotional, and social benefits. By providing a range of physical activity options and creating a safe and supportive environment, we can ensure that every child has access to the benefits of sports participation. By prioritizing the health and well-being of children over winning at all costs, and we can help children develop positive habits, values, and skills that will serve them well throughout their lives.